Next in this series, lessons from none other than Jackie Burkhart. Number 1. Jackie never felt the need to justify her choices. She liked nice things, she wanted to be adored, and she expected effort. End of discussion. Too many women waste time over-explaining their standards, their boundaries, or their desires. Stop. The right people won't need a PowerPoint presentation on why you deserve respect. If someone questions your worth, that's their loss, not your problem. Number 2. After Kelso cheated, did Jackie sit around crying? No. Even when she was heartbroken, she never let a man see her desperate. She always leveled up. New style, new attitude, new boyfriend. Because here's the truth. The best response to betrayal isn't begging someone to change. It's making them wish they had treated you better. When someone underestimates you, don't argue. Just let your incessant glow-ups do the talking. And number 3. Femininity is power. Jackie understood something that most women overlook. Leaning into your feminine energy is not weakness, it's strategy. She wasn't afraid to be soft, playful, or charming, and yet she was one of the most powerful people in her friend group. Because femininity isn't about being passive, it's about knowing how to influence without force. A woman who knows how to balance softness and strength is unstoppable. So, which character's lessons would you like next? Comment below and follow me for the next part of this series.